What do you want to do when you graduate?
Honestly, I don't know yet, and I think it's a good place for me to be. I didn't even know like what type of engineering I wanted coming into Penn State, and just to hear that like even that was okay, and this is a place where you can come and you can try different things. You can really fine tune to who you kind of were made to be. So I found civil engineering and Bridges to Prosperity, and I'm so passionate about kind of serving others and using my engineering skills to do that. And so I know that's what I want to do when I graduate. And I don't know where that's going to be, but I'm excited. So I'll be a senior next year, and I'm excited to really like hone in on that and look for a job that checks as many boxes of what I want as possible, but then also be open to kind of just developing my career path and maybe landing like my dream job a few years down the road. So yeah, how about you, Abby?
Yeah, I have kind of a similar story. I didn't know what type of engineering I wanted to be in coming to college. I didn't even know what engineering was until like junior year of high school. So you definitely have time to figure it out and fine tune exactly what you're interested in. But I'm also pretty passionate about international development and serving the greater community. So I'm hoping to get a job kind of doing service work and, building hospitals or schools would be cool too.
Yeah, no, for real. I think that's the coolest thing about engineering is that it's like real work. Engineers make tangible impacts, not just kind of hypothetical ones or, I don't know, we build things, we create things, and it's so exciting. So what is it like being a female engineering student?
Good question. I would say at Penn State, there's a ton of support for women in engineering, not only through the Women in Engineering program, but through different clubs and programs like SWE. There's definitely a ton of hype around getting women involved in STEM, which I think is something not only unique to Penn State, but very encouraging to be around all the time. And I would say you're always seeing women in other classes, so it's never like, I was nervous that I was going to be and feel like a minority, but I definitely don't. I feel like there's always people around to ask for help, and I enjoy being a female engineering student.
I think you have a lot of things in your favor being a woman in engineering. I came from an all-girls Catholic high school, and so I got into my first math class, and I was like one of 2 girls and there was like 38 guys, and I was like, guys learn too? Like I didn't realize that, but but just especially through WEP and the WEPOS, which is Women Engineering Program Orientation, that totally gave me that same sense of community that I had in high school. And I feel so supported, and I know people have my back. So I don't know. Good for you. Stick with it. It's worth it.